Booking analytics, analyzing booking activity. I'm on the OnceHub homepage and I want to analyze my meeting activity. I click on analytics and here I can see my meetings for the last 7 days. This is the default time frame, but of course I can change it. I can see meetings by creation date. This is when they were booked, or I can see it by meeting date. This is the date where the meeting actually takes place. I can also filter the meetings by various parameters, by the booking status, the booking calendar name. I can filter it by the meeting host. For example, I just want to see Chief Advisor Henry Host. This is the meeting for Henry Host. In addition, there are other statistics here. The total number of meetings, some information about daily averages, cancellations, no-shows, and completion rates. We can see the meetings per users, and we can see the meetings per booking calendar. So that was booking analytics.